Meaning of free marketeer.
Free marketeer.
Free marketeer.
Free marketeer.
Free marketeer. A free marketeer is someone who advocates for a capitalist economic system with minimal government intervention and regulation. They believe that a free market, where prices are determined by supply and demand without interference from the government, is the most efficient and fair way to allocate resources. Free marketeers argue that government regulations create inefficiencies, reduce competition, and limit individual freedom. However, critics argue that unregulated markets can lead to inequality, monopolies, and environmental degradation. Overall, the debate surrounding free market economics remains highly contested and divisive.